Sorry.
This is Sunshine Ligustrum. This one is really, we love this guy. It's taken over our market and what we do. It's a very easy shrub to do. It has this beautiful yellow golden foliage. What's really cool is when you have it next to like this lower petalum that's right here, the purple and the gold. If you like that combo, especially if you're LSU fans, yeah, this is a great combo for you. But anyway, it is an easy shrub to prune. It doesn't grow. There is the regular green ligustrum that some people are familiar with. This guy stays a lot smaller than that one. It also has a smaller leaf on it. But as the foliage matures, or if it's in the shade, it does turn more green and it loses its interest. So I recommend pruning this guy on a fairly regular basis in order to keep that bright, vibrant yellow color. It's evergreen, doesn't really flower, and as most ligustrums, it is deer resistant, so it works really well in that respect.